Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the hardware not supported for volumetric materials error in Cities Skylines II on PC. First, make sure your graphics driver is up to date. NVIDIA users, go to the NVIDIA website. Download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, select Custom, clean installation, and restart your computer. AMD users can do the same from the AMD website. Next, edit the config file. Open File Explorer. C drive. Users, your username. App data. Localo. Colossal order. Cities, Skylines 2. Find settings.coc and open it in Notepad. Copy the entries provided in the video description and paste them here. Make a backup first in case you need to restore it. Save the file and launch the game. If it's still not working, run the game on your dedicated GPU. Open graphics settings in Windows. Add Desktop App. Select the game EXE. Set GPU preference to high performance, then launch the game. One of these steps should fix the error. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.